Good afternoon, friends. Today we are at the IFIX Gallery. So we are with the artist, Dr. Ashi Verma. She is from Chhattisgarh, Raipur, जैसे इन्होंने बताया, and she's into medical legal field. She's a doctor by profession. So it's over to you. And आप जो डॉक्टर का पहले बताएं, जो आर्टिस्ट का, whatever you want to talk. Ma'am.
Okay, so
So what branch of medicine are you in?
I have done my post graduation in forensic medicine.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, that's why the medical legal.
So something here I can see.
No, the art.
These are not the thermal impressions or something.
No, sir. The art is about Sindoor, Operation Sindoor.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow,
Following
very
the
good.
So these are two works here, and it's a set of work. The first one depicts a happy married life and the protection offered by the husband to a wife in holy matrimony. Whereas the second one depicts the loss, sudden loss, demise, and sorrow that a wife goes through after the husband passes away. But still, the second artwork is trying to depict strength in her, and she has all of the strength in her to stay alone or live her life after that, and the life doesn't stop right after that. And this set of artwork, I would like to give this as a tribute to the Indian Army because उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. मैं त्रिकुटा नगर में थी उस वक्त जब सिंदूर ऑपरेशन चल रहा था.
7th of
हाँ, मैं 4 से 10 के बीच त्रिकुटा नगर में थी, तो हम छत से हमको दिखते थे वो रेड लाइट्स ड्रोन्स की और आवाज़ें सुनाई देती थी मिसाइल्स जब फट रही होती थी. तो इट वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टाइम जिसमें काफ़ी डरे हुए थे हम लोग सब घर पे, बट आर्मी हैज़ डन अ वेरी वेरी गुड जॉब इन प्रोटेक्टिंग ऑल द सिविलियंस. किसी को कुछ भी हार्म नहीं हुआ है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई फेल्ट रियली मोटिवेटेड एंड इंस्पायर्ड.
So when did you do this? आपने कब करा? When did you paint this?
So,
Immediately after that?
Sindoor Red, the first artwork, is made on 9th of May 2025 because it's just a one-stroke artwork.
Yes.
It didn't take me much
No,
time
fine.
to make it. This I started on 9th May. It got over by 20th.
Okay, so it's lovely. I think means I'm really feeling proud. कि women in our country, our sisters, they have thought so much. मतलब when we're reading the newspaper, तो ऐसा कोई feeling नजर नहीं आ रहा. और सिर्फ every night I listen to some YouTube videos, कवि सम्मेलन. वो कवि सम्मेलन में भी अभी I've attended after the Operation Sindoor, but कवि वाले भी अभी राजनीति में तो कर रहे हैं, but not the real, what you've done. So I think this is a real salute, tribute to the Indian Army forces and everybody.
Yes.
Means to our nation, मैं बोलूँगा.
Yes, even to the people.
To the people, the entire nation.
You know why the people? Because जब बोला गया कि आप अपनी जगह पे ही रहिए, डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो कोई डर के भागा नहीं.
Yes.
लोग वहीं थे, शांति बनाए हुए थे, which helped the army to achieve their goals in turn. So it's like a salute and a tribute to
Yes,
everybody.
yes,
Everybody was brave at that time.
Wonderful. और मेरा अभी बस आखिरी सवाल है. This is your first show, or you've done some?
I have done previously.
Okay, कहाँ पे करा आपने थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
So initially I was in Raipur. I
You
was
held
doing
in
shows
Raipur.
in Raipur.
Okay,
yes.
wonderful.
So the first exhibition was
Solo?
last year. No, solo.
The group shows.
I have done group shows. I have done sort of a solo show
Right.
as well. So I think this would be my 7th, 8th.
Wonderful. तो उसमें क्या depict करा आपने? क्या दिखाया? So what other work? I wanted to essentially know what else you do.
The first show I have done along with the LGBTQ community because मेरे work में 7 colors थे, and I wanted to celebrate Pride Week with them, understand them more on a deeper level. So together.
You visited some event of theirs and
Yes, in the
the
Pride.
queer parade and whatever.
Exactly. So they were doing a queer support sort of LGBTQ week celebration, the month celebration that was happening in Ambuja Mall in Raipur in 2024. So I was one of the participants over there. I was displaying my artworks over there, which were supportive of the community from the Southern Hills.
Wonderful.
Yeah. After that, I helped another startup. ATIS they're called as, and they were basically gathering all the young artists, and they were making a platform for all of them. So we worked together with ATIS, and they helped me so much. They made a website for me, they made my cards and everything. After which I did a sort of a solo show because I was the only painter over there. There was another photographer, so we were 2 people. We did another show in Ames, Raipur, and after that I have done 4 shows in New Delhi.
Very good. Which all places?
Lokayata Art Gallery, Indian Habitat Center.
Recently?
Yeah, recently you can see.
I was invited, but I didn't go.
Okay.
This is after a long time I'm coming back to the IFEX.
Okay.
So anyway, it's been pleasure to meet her, and also I want to ask you the same question, Ms. Suna, that when do you see, if you were to paint a canvas, so when you see India, say 25 years, because we are a developing nation, there is aspiration somewhere, and how much we are progressing, like somebody's a technology. So what's your, आपका क्या लगता है कि where will we, if you were to given a canvas?
If I was given a canvas to paint India after 100 years or you know
2047, 25 years.
2047, आज़ादी के 100 सालों के बाद, और अब जो हमारी टेक्नोलॉजिकल फील्ड वगैरह एडवांस कर रही है उसके बाद, I would paint it to be balanced because we are still balanced. हम पहले भी balanced थे, अभी भी हम balanced हैं. सोसाइटी में थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, बट ओवरऑल द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज सो पावरफुल दैट आई डोंट हैव दिस फीलिंग दैट वी विल स्लिप डाउन. सो आई वुड पेंट इट बैलेंस्ड.
And about say the peace, the world peace. How do you see the world peace in the future? As an artist,
As an artist, the world peace is, I don't have the feeling that it's going to change again. लोगों के परसेप्शंस चेंज होंगे, बिहेवियर्स चेंज होंगे, बिकॉज हम सभी फ़िलहाल काफ़ी कंसर्न हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज दैट आर कमिंग. बट पीस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज बिकॉज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एवरीबडी इज़ टू स्टे इन पीस. एक ऊबर का ऑटो ड्राइवर भी अपनी ज़िंदगी के लिए उतना ही डरा हुआ रहता है और सतर्क रहता है जितना उसका पीछे बैठा हुआ सवार किया हुआ आदमी है. तो जिनके हाथ में है देश चलाना, दुनिया चलाना, वो भी उतने ही सतर्क हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी को लेकर जितने हम सारे नागरिक हैं. तो वर्ल्ड पीस इज गोइंग टू स्टे द सेम.
Wonderful. I think so. She is saying that today अभी 2025 है, और मेरा जो प्रश्न था, पहली बार I'm asking this question to the artist, because जैसे कवि होते हैं, they can see what is happening in the country, they are able to portray it better. So similarly, the artist has a vision. So she says like, I think we are going to be in peace. हम लोग the war what we are seeing, the corona, the health thing, the corona is like something which we never expected in our lifetime. It did happen. And the Ukraine-Russia war, maybe it also comes to an end. The India-Pakistan war has come to an end, and the Operation Sindoor, as she is depicted, I think we don't need more of this. So peace is the best. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
एक इनका रह गया बस.